It is 2013 and I just want to say Happy New Year's to all of you, all my viewers, all of my subscribers. Have a wonderful 2013. I wish nothing but the best for you guys. Before I get into the updates on my channel, I just want to say once again, thank you all. 2012 was when I first started. Actually, it was in January, and I didn't really know where my channel was going to go, if I was going to continue to make videos, and I really enjoy it. And thanks to you guys, 2012 was awesome for me on YouTube. I am looking to take my channel to another level on 2013, and I've actually set myself some goals for my channel. I just wanted to share those updates with you guys. I want to share some things that I plan on implementing in 2013 to be more consistent. That is the number one thing that I've set for myself, is to be more consistent. And by that I mean I need to have a set day or days where you guys can look forward to seeing my videos. So I've decided to do that on Tuesdays and Fridays. So every Tuesday and Friday you guys will have a video from me. So it won't be so sporadic like it was in 2012. I actually updated my channel homepage, so I want you guys to take a look at it. Tell me what you think. I've tweaked some things. I've added some playlists for you guys, so take a look at it and tell me what you think. Give me some feedback on that. I would love to hear from you guys. I've taken a look at my videos that I recorded in 2012 and they are long, okay? I need to change that. So going forward, I'm looking to keeping my videos between 7 to 8 minutes. Now, of course, when I do reviews, I really like to be detailed because I want to answer all of your questions, so that may extend over the 8 minutes, but I'm going to try to really condense my videos, still keeping the quality and the content and the detail in the videos, but less rambling, so you guys can open up a video in 7 minutes, you'll see it and you get what you need from that video. One thing that I was so happy to receive in 2012 were requests. Guys, I received so many requests, and I just want to verbally tell you guys that I know I have not done all of the requests, and I will do the requests. One thing that I have lacked in is organization with the request. I received so many throughout the videos, and I wasn't keeping a good tracking system to tell me, okay, who requested that video, what was the video. I was going off of memory, and I'm realizing that because I'm getting so many requests, I can't remember everything. So what I've decided to do is have a handy dandy notebook, so when you guys request videos, I will write it down and then I will get to them as they come in. So once again, guys, if you have requested a video out there, I will get to it. I do apologize. I was just really unorganized in 2012, and going forward for 2013, I will be more organized. My main objective is, of course, to put out quality videos, and also I want my videos to be viewed and also for you guys to like them. So with that being said, I'm going to introduce multiple different videos just to make my channel more diverse, and also keeping the integrity of what I've already started. So with that said, guys, I am so excited for 2013. I want you guys to be excited with me. I look forward to making some awesome videos for you guys. And as always, guys, continue to like my videos, comment on my videos. That really motivates me to continue to make more videos for you guys. So until next time, guys, once again, Happy New Year. Have a good one. Bye.